Welcome to Innocent Hearts Group of Institutions, Learning Today, Leading Tomorrow. Being into academics owes 5 campuses and more than 10,000 students are associated with us. Institute is fetching 20 plus education programs. Briefing on our institution, there are InnoKids, the pre-primary school, Innocent Hearts School, Innocent Hearts College of Education, Innocent Hearts of Institution, which includes School of Management, School of Information Technology, School of Hospitality, School of Sciences, and School of Agriculture. We are also fetching the medical services through Bori Medical Center, Innocent Hearts Multi-Speciality Hospital, Bori Charitable Dispensaries, and Mobile Medical Service. IAGI is actively rendering services towards social responsibilities. Let's have a purview of same. Disha, an initiative under the aegis of Bori Memorial Educational and Medical Trust. It includes Go Green, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Say No to Drugs, Say No to Plastic, Digitalization, and Go Paperless. IAGI is serving to 40 villages for social causes through various programs. Free medical camps, which includes medical checkup, dental checkup, and eye checkup, conducting blood donation camps, cleaning drive under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat, and Sashakt Bharat. Plantation drive to encourage clean and green environment. We at IAGI also spreading social awareness with the support of student participation through Nukkad Natik. The main objective of IAGI is quality education at affordable cost. Unique point one may experience at IAGI, we adopt student as our own kids, working on overall development of students, focusing on university merit position holders, working to develop professional attitude and aptitude, preparing students to the need of the industries, focus on soft skills development, and all this leads to better placements and future entrepreneurship development. While career counseling interrogations, Maximum Education pursuers and learners express the idea that I want to go abroad. After immigration, being unskilled, the professions opted in abroad are of low cadre with low pay scales. Big dreams of being well off abroad fades, and as per research, 85% immigrant faces depression and addictions. This is very important for those who wish to go abroad. Many research studies on immigrants have proven that post-study work programs were in low-skilled jobs, high deported rate, paid significantly less than minimum wages, vulnerability and marginalization, certified with vocational courses and not formal degree courses. Let's analyze one more parameter in respect with the problems faced in pandemic phase. Due to pandemic phase, students are facing many problems in getting admission in abroad. There are visa-related issues. There are high rejection rates on visa due to strict guidelines, high costing on visa with comparison to the previous scenario, increased waiting period due to current situation, frequent change in foreign guidelines as per the situation in their country, toll on amount, paying same fee for virtual setups while sitting at home, no self-earning to pay your own education fee, time zone lapse as one is abided to take classes in night, health related issues due to time zone lack. So altogether, global uncertainty is yet to overcome. Let's have a glance on the expense that one has to bear. So the cost of study abroad is approximately 27 lakh, which includes IELTS, agent fee, health checkup, visa, bank balance, course fee, airfare and living cost. Whereas Cost of study at IAGI is approximately 3 lakh for undergraduate courses along with living cost, and approximately 3.6 lakh costing for PG along with the living cost. So as per ratio analysis, the cost one is bearing to go and set up at abroad is 9 times more the cost which you are bearing in at IAGI. Advantages at IAGI under different categories. We are providing the economic discount from 25% till 100%. There are different other categories like special discount to girls, siblings, Marty's wards, Divyang students, army persons, ex-servicemen wards, trouble area students, and discounts to achievers in STOP and extracurriculum activities. IAGI nailed remarkable milestone in placements. 90% of candidature placed at reputed companies. Highest package offered is 12 lakh, whereas average package offered to the candidates are 3.5 lakh. Courses offered at IAGI leads to various career prospects. Career prospects with achieving Bachelor's of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. One may opt for the career of chef, bartender, interior decorator, front office, Navy or Army, and opportunity for abroad. Career prospects with Bachelor's of Tourism and Travel Management. One may opt for airport ground staff services, tour operator or guide, travel agency or ticketing, front office, Navy or Army, opportunity for abroad. Career prospects with Computer Application Program, System Analyst, Software Tester, Project Manager, System Programmer, Software Developer. Career prospects with MBA or BBA, Finance or HR Manager, Banker, Marketing Executive, Advertising Agency, Consulting Services. Career prospect with Bachelor's of Commerce. It could be Bank PO, Company Secretary, BPOs, Stock Exchange, Operations and Asset Management. Career prospects with Bachelor's of Agriculture Sciences, IFS, IAS, Pharmacy, Agriculture Field Assistant, Research, Career in Horticulture, Agro-based jobs. Career prospects with Bachelor's of Medical Laboratory Sciences, Research in Pharma, Clinical, Vaccine, Lab Technicians, Quality Control Manager, Plant Pathologist. Let's have a glimpse on infrastructure at IAGI. We are Wi-Fi enabled campus, conference room, smart classrooms, amphitheater, department-wise library, communication lab, separate hostels for boys and girls. Other facilities IAGI providing are computer lab, seminar halls, basic training kitchen, bakery, aircraft model, training restaurant, agriculture farm and science laboratories. Students at IAGI gets platform for exposure along with fun. Students get exposure with RJ shows in singing and dancing competitions, celebrity appearance for fashion shows. Students are also enhancing readiness for future through quiz, debate, mock interviews, GD, surveys, research for innovative learning, getting students prepared for industry via industrial talks and webinars. Other development parts taken care of are grooming, soft skills, communication skills, brainstorming sessions, personality development, and certified short-term courses. It is adventurous journey to dream profession at IAGI. We take you from zero to hero, a job seeker to job provider, through some professional courses like BVOC, Hospitality and Catering Management, Bachelors of Microbiology Sciences Honours, PG Diploma in Digital Marketing and Hunar Se Rozgar Tak program. We are focusing on skill-based programs, and the basic objectives for skill-based programs are basic aim, that is the ability to adapt to change technologies, to improve the efficiency, to face competition by strengthening the competitiveness and acquire skills to remain in the race of life, opportunities like immense platform for self-employment and start jobs to others and become business owners. Henceforth, the career prospects with B vocational course in Hospitality and Catering Management are Hotel Manager, Stewards, Banquet Manager, Event Organizers, Restaurant and Food Service Managers. Career prospect with BSc in Microbiology Sciences are Microbiologist, researchers in different medical fields, soil microbiologist and plant pathologist. Career prospect with Digital Marketing, Digital Media Manager, Prepay Clip Manager, SEM or SEO Specialist, Brand Marketing Expert and Marketing Analyst. Hunar Se Rozgar Tak is a course which is certified by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and we are delivering 2 courses under this program: Food Production, Food and Beverage Service. Adding another feather to its cap, IAGI is now venturing into the arena of distant learning courses to offer affordable distant education in India. Courses included in Schools of Management are MCom, BCom, BBA, and for School of Information Technology, BCA, BCA LE, and DCA. The tremendous efforts by IAGI faculty under the efficient guidance of management set the new benchmark of 150 plus merit holders at university level in consecutive 2 academic years.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਗਰਬੀ ਤੇ I would like to congratulate Innocent Hearts group of institutions for the amazing effort, amazing work that they've been doing for their students. Online classes are available and there's a special discount for the girl child. So thank you and congratulations.
Hi guys, this is Veerajan Singh. I would like to take a moment to congratulate Innocent Heart group of institutions for the work that they are doing in the education sector. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ special benefits ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਆਰਮੀ ਬੈਕਗ੍ਰਾਉਂਡ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਗਰਲ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਇਟਸ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ। ਸਾਰੀ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਟਸ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਥਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਨੋ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਕਾਂਟ ਵੇਟ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਇਨ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਵਿਦ ਆਲ ਆਫ ਯੂ। ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਿਓ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਸ-ਪਾਸ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖੋ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਸੀ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਸੂਨ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੰਗੀ ਮਹਲ। ਇਨੋਸੈਂਟ ਹਾਰਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਜ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਬੜੇ ਸੁਚੱਜੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਡਮਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ। ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਹੈ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰੱਖੇ। ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦਾ, ਮਾਣ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਨੋਸੈਂਟ ਹਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰੱਖੇ।
Let's ensure your unsecure future by taking admission with IAGI.